Hey guys, just before the tutorial starts, I'd just like to say that my asset is on the asset store and it's free to download as well. The link is in the description below if you want to go check it out. All the information is there on it. I'll link it down below. On to the tutorial anyways, thanks. Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be adding to the movie player script and we're going to speed up the animation video. So basically what we done in the very first tutorial in this channel, we're going to be speeding it up. So this is the very first thing that we done. Was just getting this animation to play in a Canvas UI. But what we're going to be doing is going to be speeding up and slowing it down and getting the normal speed back again. And all we're going to be doing is editing this movie player here. So I'm going to open up that script. So this is the movie player script right here. And the first thing that we're going to do is... Why isn't that? Excuse me. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make a public float. We're going to call it pitch, and it's going to be by default equal to 1, and F stands for float, so you can use .0s if you didn't know that. So this is going to be the float here, and this is what the value that we're always going to be changing. So 1 is normal, 2 is as fast as it will go, and anything below 1 is slow motion basically. And the way we're going to access this is, or change this, is we're going to do audio, because audio up here is declared to the audio source. Audio dot pitch equals pitch. So any value we assign here is going to change the audio pitch. So if we go back into Unity here, we'll see our public float up in here, and this is default play, normal. Now if I do this to 0.5, you can see things are very slow. And then we'll just change back to 1. So this is going to be the value that's always going to be changed, and it can go from 0 to 2. And the way that this is changing through the audio source, so you can see the pitch is here, but no matter what you change here, it is it's always going to set back because you have the default pitch set. Right, so that is how we're going to utilize it. But we're going to add buttons that change this value here. So we're going to get this. We're going to leave that there anyways. And then down here in the void update, we're going to have it here. So anytime this gets changed, it's going to make the changes in play mode. And now we're going to make a public void slow-mo. Public void slow-mo, public void normal. You don't have to use these names, by the way. And then public void speed up. Okay, and in slow-mo we're going to do the pitch equals 0.5 F. In normal we're going to do the pitch is equal to 1. Just add the F there anyways. And then for speed up we're just going to do 1.5 F pitch equals, and then we're going to assign these to buttons in our thing. So that's all we're going to do for scripting. Now here on our canvas we're going to right click, we're going to add a button, and I'm going to drag these buttons over here to the side. So this is button 1, which we're going to call normal. Stop doing that. So this is button 1, which is normal. So normal speed, speed up, and then slow motion. Speed up, and slow-mo. Okay, so button normal. Come over here to the inspector after clicking on it in the hierarchy. You'll see on click event, click the plus, and then it will say none here. And if you click this, you will see a lot of different game objects come up. And what we're going to be doing we're not going to utilize, we're not going to drag it in from there. We're just going to get the raw image and drag it in. This has the movie player script on it. Then we're going to go to here to the function. We're going to go down to movie player, and because this is normal, remember that public void that we made? There it is there. And select it there. And now we go to speed up. We do the same process. Drag this over here. Go to this and then select speed up. And now we go to slow-mo. Click event. And then come over here. And this is slow-mo. Yes. Slow-mo, the other one. Speed up, okay. And there are all the buttons set. So every time you press one of these buttons, it's going to call the function that's declared there. So here they are. And that is everything for changing the speed and stuff. And you could actually add you might as well add it. You can add a public void pause video. And what we're going to be doing is movie.pause. So this is if the movie is playing and you press P, and this is checking if the movie is not playing and you press P. So down here, if you click pause, we're just going to copy this, just take away the input. So if the movie is playing, pause it. If the movie's not playing, unpause it. And then we can create another button. No, down. And we'll call this pause/resume. Go to the button and change its function to pause video. This should all work, hopefully. So speed up, slow-mo, normal, pause, resume. There we go. Slow motion, pause, resume. It takes a few seconds. Speed up again. Back to normal. And that is it for speeding up a video, putting it into slow motion and putting it back to normal, and then assigning the pause to a button. And you can make these buttons more fancy, or you could even make, if you have nice Photoshop skills, you can go make a image and then assign your play button that you've made on here, and then you can go to event trigger, add a new target event, and then you will have all the different events that you can do. So on pointer click, there you go. And then once you click on that image, it will do your code that you want it to do. So that is everything for this tutorial, guys. I hope this helped those of you that were looking for this. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Other than that, thanks for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Adios.